Cool. So today I'm just going to show the Quickwire switch and load and the Quickwire splitter. Two new products relatively new to the market. The Quickwire switch and load, it's a bit like a ceiling rose in a box, so it's all pre-wired inside, all the work's done for you. So all we have here is the power input. So what we're going to do, just plug that in. You do then have the option to loop out your power to basically go to another switch and load. After this, we're then going to go down to the switch, like that. And then finally, we're just going to make that connection to the load, or the light fitting. So what you've seen there is pretty much the fastest connection for your lights and your switch and your power in. Now just to also show you another quick point, we use our Quickwire strippers on the 1mm 1.5mm twin and earth cable. And all we need to see here is we cut to the 22 mark, push to the edge of the sheathing. We don't now need to prepare that cable anymore. We just plug that in and that's then done. Connection's made. Finally, the second product we've got is the Quickwire splitter. It looks pretty much the same as the Quickwire switch and load, although it doesn't incorporate the switch point. So all you need to have to remember is it's a straight through junction box. Your power goes in there, or there, or there. It's all the same. And then it can usually go from your load point here. And when you've got that there, it can just go to multiple light fittings and you can daisy chain it onwards. So that's the Quickwire switch and load and the Quickwire splitter. And the Quickwire strippers will strip up to 2.5mm cable.